In this video, I'm going to talk about sample data within Dynamics 365 customer service application. Now, when you launch a Dynamics 365 trial application from Microsoft site, you get an option to try out Dynamics 365 customer service by clicking on try for free. Once the application is provisioned, it comes with a clean slate. So it 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 basically contains some information, but like if you navigate to cases, you may not see cases over here. But in this tenant, I have actually enabled the customer data, the sample data basically, and that's the reason I'm able to see all the sample records over here. Now, what is the benefit of using the sample data is one is you know that how the fields and forms are structured. You can navigate into some of the records and see what data exists, how the uh, different tables are connected. Like in this tape, in this form itself, there are multiple things happening. One is this is a account or a contact card, then there is a customer references as a lookup, and then there are some subjects, and then there are some notifications in terms of timelines, and then there is automatic recent cases alignment. So all these things, like even from a knowledge article perspective, it will also ingest some knowledge articles which you can use in your case management application, which is all predefined. You need not even start, and every knowledge article is like in different state as well. It's not everything is published, some are in draft, some are in approved state. Now, these are the benefits, like of using sample data. Now, even in cases like if you want to see the charts, now those charts and all are predefined, and you can even navigate by going into different charts. So all these datas are predefined, and you know what this application does and how this graph is structured based on the data and the information. Now, in order to enable the sample data, there are a couple of ways through which you can do. The first way is like in the modern interface, I would say, you need to go into the Power Platform Admin Center. So I'm in the Power Platform Admin Center. Go to the relevant environment. So in my case, this customer service trial. Click on the meatball icon and click on settings. Now under settings, go to data management. So here in data management, you click on sample data. Now, when you click on sample data, you will be navigated to the screen. Okay. Now, in my case, it is already installed, but in your case, if it is not installed, then it will show you that this will install sample data, and the installation of sample data takes some time. Maybe it took me like 30 minutes to get the data ingested into my system. Okay. And if you want to remove the sample data once it is installed, you can again navigate to the same link and click on remove sample data. Now there is another way through which you can go into the backend. So if I click on settings over here, and if I click on advanced settings, okay. So I think this window is not loading correctly for me, but here if you click on advanced settings, then it will take you to the backend screen, and this is the screen it will take you. So you need to go to settings, and from here go to system data management. So once you are in data management here, you will be navigated to something called as a sample data. So this part. So you need to click here, sample data, add sample data to the system or delete existing sample data. If you click here, again, it's a same link it will take you to, right? Now this is the second way. Now again, the third way is if you know this URL, what you can do, you can just maybe if I tell you that, hey, this is the URL, tool/import visit sample data.aspx. Now remember, this is your environment name, right? Now how do I know this is my environment name is, uh, let me first copy this. Yeah, say this part, this is your environment name. Now here if you append this URL, So your environment name slash tool slash import visit slash sample data dot aspx, then again it will take you to that same link. Okay. So there are three different ways through which you can navigate to import sample data. And I told you the benefit of sample data is like it will give you a starting point to access your customer service application with predefined data. And the data are not only in cases and knowledge articles, but then you will have a pre-populated contacts and accounts record as well. And there are some steps which are actually being performed for you by Microsoft, so you need not even do some of the basic steps required you to activate some of the functionalities. So those all things are predefined. So that's it, folks. This is how you enable sample data within Dynamics 365 customer service application. Thanks for watching.